Okay, just explain
Can
it.
you see yourself?
No, because you need to turn it.
Ow.
Now I can see myself. I'm waving to myself.
That's what you look like.
Yeah.
That's what you look like.
Unfortunately, unfortunately, that's what I look like.
Yeah.
Right there.
That's not me.
That's you. You're so handsome.
So,
What are we gonna do? Eating
ready,
challenge.
set, go, eat.
They can't see what we're eating. Hold your plate up. Tilt it towards the camera. Hold your plate towards the camera like that. That's what we're eating.
This is gonna be really.
What do you think that is? That beef jerky?
That's gonna taste a little bit bad.
It's gonna taste delicious, I bet.
A little bit.
Make sure you lick it with your tongue later when we start to eat, okay? So you can taste it. Hi!
Guys.
Hi!
Kumusta po kayo? Nandito
John.
na naman kami.
John, what are we gonna do right now?
We're gonna eat Filipino food.
Yay! Filipino food!
Sa
Mommy,
breakfast food is
Mommy.
called tapsilog.
this smells amazing.
Thank you.
It is just
tapsilog. Look at you
unbelievable.
guys. Tapsilog.
Where's my drink?
Jan's tapsilog is no kamatis.
Oh, it smells so good. And what's our soup?
Our soup is chicken soup.
Okay.
Ala tinola.
And this one is for my...
Is your sausawan if you want sausawan.
for the meat.
Yeah.
Or for
It's
the
good. Okay na. Bira na.
I can't wait to try it.
I can't wait.
Dig in.
At you.
Thank
Looks
you so
good.
much, honey. This
You're
is so
welcome.
wonderful.
Okay na, Jan. Try your tapsilog na tapa. I hope you like it, Daddy, because you know you like saute.
Yeah.
Tapsilog is a little bit dry, but that's why you have a refreshment.
Oh man, it's so good.
Good, Jan.
I love it.
It's good.
Tastes very good. Delicious.
Try the soup.
Yeah? Okay.
Look at your Jan. Your rice is baby rice. It's very cute, small because you cannot finish the whole.
Yours is
Your soup is
big.
always good, honey.
Thank you
Always.
so much, honey.
I know
Careful
this
because
is
it's very
delicious.
hot, Daddy.
Yeah.
Big,
Thank you so much.
small, big. Big, small, big. Big,
have
small,
a-
big.
Oh man, so good.
It's a soup. This Jan soup. Oh, you need Jan?
Oh man, it's so
No
good.
need now. No need right now. Yeah, that's chicken soup. Chicken soup or beef soup is good for tapsilog. It's a
John,
big
you should try
breakfast
that
food.
soup. It's amazing.
Yeah, try the soup, Jan. Oh, you have soup, Jan.
No.
He doesn't want now. This
John,
is
did
the
you
food.
put your tongue to this one and taste it? Good. You did it already?
This is good for me, the tapsilog.
Tastes good. It almost tastes like beef jerky. It's very good. This
Oh, yeah,
soup
this-
is
Really, honey. Thank you, honey. You like the soup?
man, it's so good.
Chicken soup. I put the chicken soup. Chicken soup. I put that one.
Chicken
on
chup, chicken chup.
lemongrass. Lemongrass.
Right? That's why. That's
Yeah.
the little extra flavor. That's super
Yeah,
nice.
and the lemongrass from the garden, from our garden, and what's good?
This is a
sibuyas.
nice breakfast. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Try this one.
egg. Oh.
Yeah, the sunny side up egg. Wow, it's perfectly cooked, honey. Perfect,
The sunny
perfect
side
cook.
up.
Perfect cook. Wow, super nice. Oh man, it's so good.
It's not too salty for you.
No, it's perfect.
It's bread, cheese,
Oh man.
apple cider vinegar, rice,
Then you want to try that tomato?
egg, tomato, rice, banana, gummy.
Egg is delicious, honey. All of it. The tomatoes are amazing. What did you do to the tomatoes?
Oh, the tomato, I sliced, I put salt and pepper, I put 1 tablespoon of vinegar, that's it.
That's why the vinegar.
Don't put lots of vinegar because it's not
man,
as
it's so
good, just
good.
light.
I know your family in Philippines. They miss this food. They miss your cooking because you're so good. You're so good at cooking. I know they're super
you,
miss. Like, oh, I wish Lucy was here to cook.
My,
Guys, you remember the video of me putting a Cheerio in my shirt?
I do.
I do.
Mm-hmm.
Jan, eat mo Jan.
I like to try.
The beef is close to mango float. It's amazing.
Oh really, the bit? Wow.
It's like just slightly below mango float.
And already doesn't
Nothing
like
can
it.
ever beat mango float. That's the highest
Oh wow.
ever.
Yeah,
you know.
right. Because sweet.
No, but it's more than just sweet. It's
Oh, yeah?
a nice
Wow.
mixture of, you know.
And
But
worried
this
the Tapa
flavor
is
is
dry
like-
for you because you know.
No, it's very good, and the flavor is amazing.
Hindi mo na?
Very good, honey. This is the one. If you make a meal for Grandma and Papi, this is what you need to make.
Oh, yeah?
Because they
Okay.
will super love this one. Oh man, it's so good.
I'm just guessing my ingredients. I have video that one in our last eating. I have video to cook the tapsilog.
Oh, that's nice. It's a good idea to show the cooking, you know.
Right.
Very good.
Jan, kumusta ka? Jan, oh, your soup din, oh.
I love Philippines breakfast. Very good.
Yeah, Filipino breakfast is more solid food.
Hmm.
Because remember, our breakfast here is only, it's up to you if you want a bread or
Right. Sometimes people here just eat cereal. And
cereal.
Sometimes,
Yeah,
they eat,
cereal is,
sometimes they eat pancakes, bacon,
Right.
sausage,
Yeah.
eggs. You know,
I like pancakes.
they eat waffles.
waffles,
Some
yeah.
people just eat Pop Tarts. You know,
I like
so real
bacon.
simple.
Yeah, try this sausawan. Vinegar. That one, the one you have is lemon and
I don't know what to put it on. What's it? Tell me what's it? What am I supposed to dip in the sauce?
it's up to you, the tapa, if you want to...
The beef?
The beef.
Oh, that's already super seasoned for me.
Okay.
No.
I thought you need a suka. Suka means Tagalog. Vinegar. This is
Is
the
it Tapa or Tapa?
tapa.
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 It's very great seasoning. It's amazing.
You know that seasoning of tapa is vinegar, soy sauce, salt and pepper, a little bit salt. I add a little bit brown sugar.
Right, that's the secret. I mean, soy and vinegar is amazing, but if you add brown sugar, that's probably the
But
real.
I'm not adding a lot of brown sugar. Some people they like tapa with sweet.
Right,
But I
too
don't
sweet.
like so
Ah,
sweet.
you did it perfect for me.
Yeah, because it's bad for your
I'm
diet.
gonna flip a pancake.
No, John, don't put your
John, you don't like the egg, buddy?
Kind of like.
You know what you ought to do? You ought to put ketchup on the egg and then eat the rice.
Oh.
Eat rice, egg, and
Yeah,
ketchup.
ketchup,
Please.
Ketchup?
please.
Okay.
Please.
Put ketchup on the egg and then put rice on it. That would taste
Maybe I
good.
don't want to do it.
Okay. Maybe try your chicken soup now.
John, this soup is amazing. You need to try it.
Try this.
Try it, buddy. It tastes good.
Try the soup. Oh,
Should we make it into an airplane and fly it into your mouth?
Jan, airplane, Jan. Open the door, Jan.
Yeah, wow,
Nice. He's eating the chicken now.
Tastes good. Tastes good, doesn't it?
La 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 la.
It's nice combination, honey. The tapa and the soup.
Yeah, it's true.
Chicken soup.
It's true, honey. This is amazing.
Thank you so much for
I love it.
liking the Filipino food.
You're putting.
I love it. It tastes so good.
Mostly
flavor is
the
amazing.
Filipino food I cook
you're
in
putting
Europe.
your hair
Really like it.
inside
Yeah.
my ear.
Except the dried fish.
That was the first time. That one and the avocado, but we didn't make
Right.
that one.
Avocado? Oh, yeah, it doesn't.
It's natural, the avocado natural. I don't like the avocado
Okay.
natural.
Because you know, every person they have different taste.
No.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna use.
John, what did you do today? Did you play?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Did you pretend you were working today? Yeah.
Daddy,
Yes, sir?
remember that?
I remember. Hit me super hard. Hard as you can. Come on. No, hard.
This one's gonna hurt.
Hit me hard. Come on. Wow, nice. Wow, rough and tough. Rough and tough. You know, if you're a boy, especially if you take Taekwondo, if you're a boy, you need to learn how to punch hard.
Daddy, this one's gonna hurt.
Well, that did hurt. Ooh, that hurt. Okay, I need a break. I need a break now. Okay, my turn. I'm joking. I'm joking. I would never hit you. You know that? Never ever. One time, I think only one time ever, I had to pinch your neck a little bit. But you don't make me pinch you. That's nice. Very nice. You're a good boy. You're a good boy, buddy. Thank you.
Oh, you like the tomato, huh?
Blippy, 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 blippy.
If you saw Blippy, would you punch him in the arm as hard as you could?
I can punch Blippy.
No, don't hit people in the face. It's not nice. Not nice.
Jen, can I eat your rice? Can I eat your rice?
Yes, ma'am.
No need to waste your food. Oh, your soup. Oh, try your soup like this, oh. Try your soup like this. You, Jen. It's good, huh? Like, needs more, Daddy. Really good, huh?
You know, this is like it's like a little bit more moist than beef jerky, but it has so much more flavor than beef jerky.
Oh, really?
It's so good.
Right.
The beef, the Tapa,
Right.
man, it's so good.
Thank you so much, honey.
It's close to mango float honey, very close.
It's more cheap this one than beef jerky.
Oh yeah, beef jerky is very expensive. I know this one is much cheaper.
Yeah.
Beef jerky is $16 a pound.
Wow.
Very expensive.
Mommy.
Okay. You want to use your kutsara? Close your mouth here like that. Yay! Like that, John. Thank you, John. Just a bit. Yeah.
Look in there is soup
The soup is nice combination.
and one piece of spinach and
Mommy has a nice talent for cooking, John.
chicken.
Thank you so much.
So good, honey.
One chicken. She puts 1.5 chicken in here.
You're good at cooking, dancing, singing.
Oh, that dancing, man. I'm super.
You're not good at dancing, singing, acting, painting. What else?
I'm good at everything.
Artist. You're a good artist. Cooker.
Eater.
What else? Chef, engineer, firefighter.
Mommy's not a firefighter.
Mommy's good at everything.
Mm.
Mommy's good at being sweet, right? And dependable. Mommy's
Jan,
very
I eat your
dependable.
rice, Jan, ha? Because no need waste our food. Okay, Jan?
Ow! I hurt my
The soup
knuckle.
is so good, man. I need to just drink it. It's okay if I just drink from the bowl?
Yeah. Some people they do it drink at the bowl.
Wow. So good.
Try one spinach and
What's spinach?
other spinach. Spinach.
How do you say last one in Tagalog? Last one.
Spinach.
Last one.
Isa pa is one more, but how do you say last one?
Spinach.
Isa na lang.
Isana
Isa
lang.
na lang.
Isana lang.
Yeah.
Isana lang.
I'm pretending there's spinach inside here.
Okay. Is that why you're not eating it?
Daddy, show
No,
your
I
plate.
mean
Daddy, soon.
it because it's-
Close up.
Oh, you're eating it because it's spinach?
It's melted spinach.
I'm not adding spinach. It's
It's
just
melted spinach.
spring onion, lemongrass, salt and pepper. I'm not adding drugs that one. Drugs. I mean, I'm not adding MSG. It's just so
It's
because
funny
the
because you call MSG drugs.
because the what's called the lemongrass, the tanglad. The lemongrass is the aroma is man so good.
Tomorrow.
What's the oil in this one? Is olive oil?
No, it's a natural oil from the chicken. I'm
Oh.
not adding oil.
Oh wow.
Tomorrow is
You
Thanksgiving.
remember the chicken with the skin? And if you boil, the skin of the chicken is, the oil is come out. Yeah.
Right. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving.
Yes, finally, yeah.
What do you do on Thanksgiving? Do you give thanks to things?
You eat pea.
I want to eat turkey though. We're gonna have turkey tomorrow. Yum yum. One of mommy's favorite things is turkey.
Yeah, turkey. Roast turkey.
Turkey. Remember the hill? Remember the hill that goes to Cassidy's grandma's house? Remember the hill? That hill?
Yeah,
that
there's a
goes
really
down
big hill when you go up. You go up the big hill
and down.
and down if you're leaving. Yeah, if you're leaving, you go down the hill. That's right. Do you like
soup
that
is
big
so good.
hill?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fun hill.
Nom, 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 nom.
Can I eat this one, John?
Yes. There's melted
Man,
spinach.
it's so good.
I have no more rice, that's why I need to
Melted
eat this one.
spinach.
I need to
The
take to
great
work
thing
all
is
my
melted
coworkers. Oh,
spinach.
wow!
I can make for you that one. If you need,
Yeah, you can-
if you're bored.
And you can,
Yeah.
well, yeah, you can heat it up, no problem, right? Just
Right.
microwave.
But it's good if you're not heating up. Because you
It's
pretend it's
good cold.
jerky. Yeah.
It's good
Looks
cold,
like
yeah.
green pea.
Wow, Jen likes the tinola.
Say that again,
Dun,
John.
It looks like green pea.
I thought you said it tastes like green PP.
It looks like green
Empty my food
pea.
now. I just 3 pieces left.
It looks like green.
I need more rice,
melted
but I need.
green melted.
I have lots of rice.
No. I'm
Daddy.
super busog now.
Oh, yeah.
This is like pea. I
Upset.
tried this soup.
Yeah, it's called tinola.
That's really good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
Daddy, this
Daddy.
That is the best meal I've had
This
in a
soup
long
is-
time.
Wow.
This soup is really
Thank
good.
you.
This soup is good.
Very delicious, honey.
My
Thank you so much,
favorite thing is this one.
Oh, really? The chicken soup?
Yes!
My
Chicken
favorite
soup.
is the tapa. Oh,
Tapa.
man, super.
I love this one.
My favorite is rice. Joke.
I love mommy and I love John.
We're all love.
And I love our family.
Family.
And I love our viewers.
And Daddy, Daddy is even my best friend.
Wow,
Daddy
you're my
is
best
your
friend
best
too.
friend.
I
You're
love
so
you, buddy.
sweet.
You're a sweet boy.
Sweet
You and
boy.
mommy are my best friends.
Yeah.
Thank you for that sweet hug. You're awesome, buddy.
Daddy,
Yes, sir.
you want to hear this fart and a punch?
Don't talk about. Remember, our viewers might be eating, so don't talk
Yeah,
about dirty
so-
things. That's nice whisper.
Oh, we have video website out.
Oh, we need to say also to anyone in America, Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Have a
All the
wonderful.
kababayan here in America.
Mommy, you're hardly
and all
in
the
the.
people
I just
in
realized you're
America.
hardly in the picture.
yeah.
You need to move over there.
Happy Thanksgiving here, guys, in America tomorrow.
Right.
And we need a shout out, Jan. Come on, Jan.
Let's do shout outs.
We do shout.
Viewers.
Hi to Drum
Hi to
Radish.
all our viewers. Hello, guys. And hi to Ate Ligaya and Sok at saka sa pamilya niya sa Dumaguete. Hi, Ate Ligaya.
Hi, Ligaya.
At saka, hi to Miss Ferrer from Qatar. Hi, Miss Leah Ferrer.
Hi, Leah. Hi.
And to,
Daddy.
what's that?
Mommy said I'm
Pronounce
not
it
gonna.
Levi.
Levi. Hi to Miss Levi
Mommy said-
from Australia.
Hi, Miss Levi.
Mommy said I'm not gonna go to Taekwondo anymore.
Yeah,
You
we'll
say
talk
that for
about
me.
that. We'll
You
talk
said.
about that.
Yeah, we talk about that soon.
Yeah, maybe.
So
Maybe.
guys, thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you.
Without our viewers, it's pointless to make
Right.
videos.
Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so
And all the
so
kind
much.
words.
And all the and all the kind words.
Pew, 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 pew.
Pew, 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 pew.
I'm half Filipino, but we're in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not in Philippines.
Yeah,
Not yet.
Not yet, but you know.
Maybe in 5 years, 5.5 years.
Yeah, maybe we're living in Philippines.
Where are we gonna live? I want to live in Subic.
So big, yeah, so
I have
big.
40 different cities. Not really, not
Yeah,
40.
Subic is
I like Subic. It's nice.
you have a
weather.
place in Subic. Remember my cousin lived there, Amy? She
Yeah.
bought a lot there. Is cheap.
Yes. John is touching the camera now. Make it so they can see you.
This is the challenge where we are gonna eat.
Continue.
Eating
Ready,
challenge.
set, go. Eat.
Eat.
Nom 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 nom.
Can I puke? Because they ate too
Okay,
much.
now you-
So much
You're
honey.
welcome,
Super
honey.
delicious honey.
This honey, it's
That is
for
No,
what?
no, no,
best
no.
meat, I think.
No, 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 no.
Right, Joe?
Round
Ready,
7.
ready, steady, go.
Eat.
Eat.
What if I ate like a vacuum?
Round 3. Ready, set, go. Eat.
What if I ate slow?
You're not supposed to do that in this challenge.
No. You need to explain the challenge a little better. Explain it.
How to do the challenge?
Mhm.
Let's do the eating challenge.
Okay, let's pretend we're gonna eat.
Ready,
Hey,
set,
let's turn the camera so they can see you better. There, ready?
set, go.
Look at me, I finished mine.
I finished mine.
Wow, now let's find it in your belly. We're a bunch of silly people. We're some silly folks. Wait,
Round,
is this what I ate before? Did I poop it out?
round 2. Round 2.
Okay, ready? I eat so much faster than you do.
I did.
I go
really fast.
You did?
Really fast.
go really, really super fast.
I was like,
All right, see how fast you can eat it.
no.
Eat it as fast as you can. Okay, ready? You mark your set, go. Look how fast I ate mine. Can you pretend you're the
let's
vacuum?
let's do the quick challenge. Let's do the quick
All
challenge.
right, quick challenge. All right, let's do it.
I already ate it.
Mine is gone.
Mine is gone too.
Let's do the blow it challenge. Blow it. Blow it. Hey, let's do fighting sound effects.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just pretend, no, just pretend.
Where's
You punch really slow.
Ito na guys. Umpisahan ko na pagluto at ito na yung pinainit kong mantika. Ito na. Umpisahan ko na. Ibusin ko na para isang lutuan lang.
Look at her butt. I'll just stay at the house. Rain. It looks like Droney in a Spider-Man Homecoming movie. What? The cars might run over Daddy. I'm the cameraman. See what the drone will look like. The droney. Beeps go! When the beeps go! Don't just stand in the road!